most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the house.
Hi guys, I'm looking rough. I washed my hair the other day. I'm at my bro's place. I washed my hair the other day and I was waiting for my wig to come in. She's a trip, yo. So done. Anyways, I just had my protein shake. You guys, he don't have nothing in his fridge. Like, he ain't got diddly squat. Like, it's so empty. We got some eggs, so I'm gonna make some eggs with cheese. He got milk. He has spinach. What is this? He got onions. They don't look fresh. I might still use it though. I'm gonna make some eggs. Ooh. He got bread. He got pistachios. I'm gonna get this. Oh shoot, he got pistachios. I'm gonna get some pistachios. Get me some of this. He got bread. Is the bread still good? He got the honey wheat bread. Okay, he got little cans of tuna. Okay, what else? He has peanut butter. He has pasta. He loves his pasta. That will be my lunch. And then later on, you guys, I'm going back to that wings place that I went to. The wings was just so good. I'm gonna go there and treat myself, okay? Because I worked out yesterday. Breakfast is served. Or brunch. I don't know. This is the fork I use. Y'all don't judge me. Hold on. This looks better. Just some eggs, some spinach, and some cheese. Let's eat.
Amen. When do God want to do Bible trio?
Can y'all host
I thought you were preaching. I thought you were preaching.
Yes. Okay.
I'm waiting to
Let's
listen.
teach the usher to say something.
Okay, the usher has to say something. Go. Okay, go.
Can I just say his Bible?
Okay, go.
My soul.
It's in the other side.
There is no middle ground. There's no gray area. You're either for God or you're against God. And if you are not for God, that automatically makes you against God. There is no neutral, and I just don't have anything to say about that. I'm not for this side or that side. The moment you're not for the side that is for God, you're automatically on the side that is against God. And that's what he says. The lukewarm church makes him sick to the stomach, so much that he wants to vomit. It makes him vomit them out. And this is why we always say, we're not going to force you to serve God. We're not going to force you to get saved. We're not going to force you to worship. Nobody should force you to get baptized. None of that. Because even God, who is God himself, respects that you have your own free will. You're not a robot. And if you don't invite him in, he won't just come in. You have to let him in.
2 rainbows in the sky. God put a rainbow in the sky. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Double rainbow. Yes, God. That's God's promise right there with the rainbow. Go read the book of Genesis. Anyways, yeah, so I'm heading over there now to volunteer. It's raining and I'm so upset. Like, why is it raining out of all the days to rain? Today it's raining. My right eye is bothering me. It's raining. God put 2 rainbows in the sky. I'm heading there now. I kind of know where it's at and I kind of don't. So I'm waiting. Yeah, I kind of don't. So that's what's happening today. Yesterday I didn't really vlog too much, but I'm just gonna put all of it together. Put Thursday, Friday, and Saturday's vlog together to post it today, so I could be caught up. That's what's happening. I couldn't reach my ugly Christmas sweater. I couldn't find a red shirt because I wore one yesterday and I got it dirty. So I just threw on this black tank top and this black sweater, black cardigan with my jeans. I threw on my wig, y'all. My face is dry. The lace is lacing, but it's okay. I got my wig, but I didn't get a chance to install it. I'm probably gonna do that for Monday. So yeah, that's what's happening today. I'm a little ashy, but I don't want to put lotion on my feet. I'm wearing sandals. I've never worn sandals to volunteer. I didn't even bring my stand for my phone to be able to record stuff. Anyways, that's what's happening in today's news. I didn't put on moisturizer, so I'm putting on this lotion on my face. That's how we used to do it back in the days. I used to put lotion on my face. There's something really in my eye. Wow. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get there. Giveaway. We are here. Now the sun wants to shine bright. My hair looks a mess. Like a hot mess. okay, we're here. I wore these jeans yesterday and I really like them. I like the design of it. I like it. It's like mom jeans. Hey y'all, just sitting here. I'm about to start editing the vlog. I have a headache, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, all of the above, but we're here and we are grateful for another day, another week. I can't believe Christmas is literally right around the corner after next week. The week after is Christmas, and then right after that, it's a whole new year. 2024 flew by like that. Life. I don't have any words of wisdom or anything. But continue to trust God. You know what's so funny? This year I said this was going to be a year that God did it. I swore up and down. Maybe God did do it. You know, this year really... Whew, yeah. This year, yeah. A lot happened this year. A lot happened, and at the same time, I felt like nothing happened because like time went by so fast. But yeah, we're still here by the grace of God. I'm just out here trusting God, and I'm just out here want to be the best version of myself and want to represent Christ in the best lighting possible. And I have a lot of thoughts in my head, just a lot. And sometimes I just want my thoughts to be quiet. And I want to hear the voice of God. The Christmas toy giveaway was actually pretty nice. It was my first time this year going to where they usually host it at the school. More open, a lot of people showed out. That was amazing. It's always great to support and it's always great to have a nonprofit organization, Black owned at that, okay? By a Black woman at that, and by Black leaders at that. I love it. I love to see it. I'm rooting for everybody Black. That's it, okay? I completely forgot to have the day available today, but it's okay. Still was able to help out as much as I could, and I have a whole bunch of footage I have to like edit and post. I want to post it today, so I'm going to work on my vlog from now up until give it like an hour or so, and then after that work on toy giveaway recap and post that on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah.
Under the mistletoe,